If the photos application is causing a lot of battery drain on your iPhone, then let us see what to do. The first thing is you simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issue. The other thing that you will do is you will go to settings here, go to cellular, scroll down and make sure that cellular data is disabled for photos, and let the photos application only use Wi-Fi to sync the photos to the iCloud. Also go to photos application and then tap on this icon here on the upper right corner. Now if you see, my iCloud storage is almost full. So if you also have the same problem, then what you do is either increase the iCloud space or delete unnecessary photos from the photo library and check if this will fix the issue. Now the last thing that you can do is you can go to settings here, go to general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and select this option reset all settings. So what does this do is this will not delete any data from the phone, but the password of the Wi-Fi will be removed and the Bluetooth devices that is connected with the iPhone will be disconnected. You have to connect those devices again and you have to put the password of the Wi-Fi again. So do all of these things and hopefully the photos application will not drain the battery of your iPhone again.